PEAKA GLP-1 is marketed as a revolutionary supplement with ingredients like GLP-1, NAD+, moringa, apple cider vinegar, and keto BHB. According to its makers, it's supposed to help you lose weight, manage diabetes, and even improve your heart health, all in one go. Sounds like a miracle, right? But let's talk honestly about what's really going on. First off, PEAKA is presented as a natural and safe alternative to injectable GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic or Wegovy. They even say it comes in something called Essence Liquid Pearls, which is just a fancy way of saying capsules. But here's where the red flags start waving. The company claims their product addresses serious conditions like diabetes, obesity, and cardiovascular diseases. That's a major warning sign. In the U.S., supplements aren't legally allowed to say they treat or cure diseases. Only approved medications can make those claims, and PEAKA is not one of them. It doesn't stop there. They also say things like tested by the FDA and recommended by the American Pharmacists Association, and even mention something called the U.S. Competition and Markets Authority, which doesn't even exist. The FDA does not test or approve supplements before they're sold, and groups like the APA don't go around endorsing commercial products. These statements are misleading, and it looks like they're throwing around official-sounding names just to build fake trust. And let's talk about the weight loss promises. Lose 10 pounds with one box, they say, or even worse, reduce 120 pounds with 10 boxes. That's not just unrealistic, it's dangerous. There's no responsible doctor or health expert who would ever say you can drop that much weight safely with a single supplement. It takes lifestyle changes, medical guidance, and time. Anyone promising a shortcut like that is almost certainly not being honest with you. Another bold claim they make is that their oral GLP-1 pearls are as effective, or even more effective, than prescription injections. That's just not how the science works. GLP-1 medications are complex, prescription-only drugs that have to be injected because they don't work the same way when taken orally. There's no over-the-counter version that can match what those medications do. Claiming otherwise is not only misleading, it could put people's health at risk. They even go as far as saying there are no side effects, no relapses, and that their product lasts 20 times longer than injections and is 10 times stronger than actual drugs. That's not just exaggerated. It's completely unrealistic. Even the most effective medications come with risks and side effects, and no supplement is magically more powerful than prescription treatments approved by medical authorities. These types of claims are classic signs of scam marketing. In the end, products like PEAKA, GLP-1 Slimming, and Health Ultra might look appealing, especially if you're trying to lose weight or improve your health quickly. But when you dig deeper, it becomes clear that the promises being made don't line up with science, safety, or reality. Always be cautious when a supplement sounds too good to be true.